Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take a full web page screenshots on MacBook. And I'm going to show you a few ways to do this. So for example, if you are on Safari web browser, you can do this in two ways, or maybe even more, but I'm going to show you just two of those. So to take a full page screenshot, you need to go at the top right here, Safari, where it says. Then you're going to click File. And then you're gonna click export as PDF. And then you of course gonna save it. And now, as you can see, I have this PDF file opened and we have all of the web page right here. So this takes up every single page and everything from that, even the ads. So this is one way. Another way is to also click on File, then click Print. And as you can see, it looks way different and I think way better. So you're just gonna click on PDF right here at the top, at the bottom, I'm sorry. And then you're gonna click on Save. And we're gonna just replace. Now, as you can see, it looks way better. And we can even print it. So that is one way to do this on Safari. Now to do this on Google Chrome, just gonna on MacBook, of course, you're just gonna click Command, Option, and I buttons. And after that, you're just gonna click Command, Shift, and P. And as you can see right here, we can write anything we want, and we're just gonna write down screenshot, and we're gonna click on capture full size screenshot, and that's it. Basically, this is how that screenshot looks like. You can zoom in and so on, and that's how you do on Google Chrome. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.